And despite the great weather we saw here in the city today, we are still at risk as there are some severe storms moving through as we enter the evening hours here. Kristin, what can we expect?
We still have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Westmoreland and Indiana counties. It's a really fast moving cell, and right now it's racing to the east about 65 miles per hour. So it'll be out of here pretty soon. In fact, Washington was under this warning. Allegheny County was under the warning. And now it is going to move within about the next 15-20 minutes out of our immediate area. But still in that time frame, you see the lightning, you see the heavy rain. We have the potential for some gusty winds upwards of 60 miles per hour and also some hail. We have a history of hail from some of these storms earlier this afternoon through portions of Beaver and Butler counties. This cell has a history, on radar at least, of producing small hail across Washington County. And you can see this next cell that came through Wheeling is now just approaching Washington, and that will be traveling right along I-72 in the same path that this first storm is. So here's the warning. It goes until 7 o'clock unless it exits the area sooner, which it probably will since it's moving so fast. But you can see hail possible, radar estimated up to about an inch, and winds gusting up to about 60 miles per hour. So in that immediate area, Ligonier, it just passed north of Latrobe, just a heads up there. Behind this, we have a little bit of a break. We'll have the sun setting and we have cloud cover in place. But there's also a strong area of storms on the southern end of this system that's down over southern portions of Ohio. So up until around 9-10 o'clock, we'll watch and see if any of these swing through south of I-70 or if anything else develops along that front. Until then, just a heads up, first alert weather day in effect for the next few hours for potential storms swinging through. After around 10 o'clock, we'll be in the clear. 81 degrees currently. The high was 84. Normals for this time of year are in the lower to mid 60s. Second day in a row that we've topped that 80-degree mark. Look at these numbers in the 70s in Beaver, Washington. That rain, 75 degrees. Morgantown still sunny all the way up to 84 degrees. Latrobe has cooled down with that rain now to 77. Temperatures will begin to slide into those 70s and then even the 60s overnight. By tomorrow morning, only down to about 51 for the starting point. So another very warm, muggy morning tomorrow. And the winds are gusting with this system up to 35 to even 40 miles per hour in the Laurel Highlands. Here's Futurecast taking these storms out of here by around 9:30, 10 o'clock. And then the temperatures behind this front fall down to the 50s tomorrow morning. But then we recover back up to a very pleasant and slightly above normal 69 degrees for Pittsburgh. All 60s around the area. Could see a couple of 70, 71 degree readings south of I-70. But overall, a pretty nice Easter day. Mixture of clouds and some sunshine, but it'll be dry. Monday is our next round of showers in the morning. And then later in the afternoon, we'll have to watch for the chance for one more round of potentially strong to severe storms. Timing isn't perfect yet, so we're watching that for a potential first alert weather day. But tonight, 51 will be quieting down after around 9 o'clock. And then tomorrow for Easter Sunday, 69 degrees and dry. Very pleasant day. Monday back up to 78. Could see a few afternoon, evening storms. The rest of the week looks great. 70 on Tuesday, 76 Wednesday, up to 81 on Thursday, and sunshine all 3 days.